This is Eric Muathe with Muathe.com for February 27th. Let's take a look here, a quick video. I notice here in the pre-market, Weight Watchers is going to be called down about 10 points. So a huge drop in the pre-market. Let's take a look at the charts before today's market open. So the market is going to be opening in about 15 minutes or so. I want to show you what the monthly chart looks like. Let's take a look at the monthly. Again, there it is scrolling on our screens. And on this monthly chart, and in front of us is a 3-year monthly chart. So 3 years monthly. Alright, notice where the RSI was trading as of yesterday. And we can see that trading at about 39.93. Let's call it at around 40. And with today's drop, we can see that the RSI is going to be moving to 3-year lows. And that's a big development. So moving the RSI to 3-year lows. But the reason for this video is I've talked about this before in the past, where we see that when a stock moves below the RSI level of 38.2 for the first time in many years, here we can see the 3-year break to 3-year lows. Moving below 38.2 tends to bring out, more often than not, a reaction that can be called more like a crash. And we can see here a drop of about 35-36% in today's market open. Is going to be a big drop. Again, the reason is because it is moving its monthly RSI below RSI level of 38.2. And of course, a major break to 3-year lows on the monthly RSI time frame, with this move below 38.2 being the main focus. Oh, and one other thing, we can see that one of the MACDs prior to today's drop was already trading at 3-year lows. So the minimum requirements that we look for had already been met. This is Eric Muathe with Muathe.com. As always, good luck, peace, and blessings. ESS.